गैस लाइटिंग क्या होती है? क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग
गैस
हर बात
लाइटिंग
में
इज
भी गैस लाइटिंग कहते
एक्चुअली और आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग टर्म है बाय द वे वी वेरी कैजुअली यूज इज
वही मैं
गैस लाइटिंग मी यू नो
एग्जैक्टली तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो उसकी थोड़ी सी वो
तो
एक
गैस लाइटिंग is a very
हाँ
serious psychological
हाँ
manipulative tool
हाँ
which tactic which is used by the a toxic individual or a
हाँ
manipulator. It's a
हाँ
very serious
हाँ
because what they do is they put a seed of doubt in your mind
हाँ
and you as a person start doubting your own self. You don't trust yourself, you start doubting your own memory, your own perceptions, your own sanity and your own reality. So imagine you're in that state of mind, you don't trust yourself. So it's create a lot of confusion, lot of uncertainties, lot of chronic stress, and lot of these people get into severe depression, anxiety, panic attacks बहुत होते हैं. Sometimes even if the cycle abuse continues, psychosis starts
if
happening.
things get really
Yes.
worse yeah
So and there's a lot of emotional distress which the victim goes through.
बेसिकली यही होता है कि अगर आपको लग रहा है आपका पार्टनर कुछ चीज़ गलत कर रहा हो कुछ गलत किया है एंड यू हैव गो एंड हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद देम तो यू फाइंड आउट कि वो आपका पार्टनर आपको बोल रहा है कि नहीं आपको सही याद नहीं था ऐसे नहीं ऐसे हुआ था तुम गलत सोच रही हो या तुम गलत सोच रहे हो तुम ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो तुम मेरे पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करते इसलिए इस तरह सोच रहे हो यानी वो सिचुएशन को रिवर्स कर देना
Yes.
नोइंगली कि यार आपने कुछ गलत किया है लेकिन आप उस पर प्रेशर डालो उस इंसान पे प्रेशर डालो और बोले नहीं तुम्हारे में गलती है इसलिए तुम ऐसे देख रहे हो तो या तो तुम परसीव गलत कर रहे हो या तो तुम सोच गलत रहे हो और फिर अगला बंदा डाउट में जाना शुरू होता है यार हुआ तो मेरे सामने ऐसे ही था ये क्यों ऐसे कह रहा है तो वो प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं तो इसीलिए अवेयरनेस बाय द वे मैं
Very important.
अवेयरनेस इज वेरी
and we
इंपॉर्टेंट
have to understand. I think we just cannot matlab, it is so difficult to be in that situation because a gaslighter is making you question everything about yourself.
मेकिंग यू क्वेश्चन
Yeah.
रियलिटी
Yeah, and imagine आपकी sanity,
Yeah.
you know, और memory.
Yep.
कि अगर आपने if you tell a person, you have promised to pick up the kids today, and you said, I didn't say that. You are making it up. There's something wrong with your memory. And dismissing your emotions, saying you are the one who's crazy, you are the flawed one. And when you keep on hearing that every day, what happens?
becomes a part of your personality
It's part of
then.
your personality. Yeah,
Yep.
personality changes. And there's like, we can go on with that forever. So उसमें ये होता है कि I tell my clients to be aware. Awareness is the first key.
yeah
Okay, और आजकल awareness is there because thanks to social media. You know, you can even if you don't have the capacity to go out and see a therapist, money wise or whatever, start being aware of it. You know, and start journaling. Journaling, I tell my clients क्योंकि कई दफ़ा ये होता है कि when you journal, you can write the events, what's happening, and then you can go back to it and see कि he said that it happened. It's not my memory.
Yep.
You know, and don't ever argue with a gaslighter. You need to distance yourself because they will never take responsibility for their action. It's not like you go and talk to them and they will actually twist your emotions and your words and put it back onto you and manipulate you even more.
and I feel like calmness is very awareness में तो awareness एक awareness है knowing what gaslighting is what love bombing is just being aware of the fact that people do this दूसरे साइड में मुझे लगता है awareness ये भी है of awareness of your own thoughts
Yes.
and your own patterns of thoughts and how you perceive things and how you
Yes.
create conclusions out of the things that you hear. Those conclusions could be positive or negative, and then those conclusions that you derive from those thoughts or those incidences finally उस conclusion के basis के ऊपर ही फिर आप act करते हो, behave करते हो उस relationship में या generally. तो वो जो awareness है वो मैं अक्सर बात करता होता हूँ कि वो meditation के through आती है, just sitting and noticing and being aware of your environment and your thoughts, which we don't do at all.
Yeah.